Welcome back to the Wealthy Clan, the community where we explore the beauty of life, the weight of choices, and the power of decisions. Before we dive into today's topic, we'd like to remind you that life is not a destination, but a journey. Each step, each decision we make moves us forward on this journey, shaping us into the individuals we are today. Every choice, every crossroad we encounter is an opportunity for growth and transformation. But remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, let's take that step together, shall we? Welcome to the journey of life, where every crossroad is a new beginning, every choice is a new direction, and every decision is a powerful force that propels us forward. Buckle up, because the journey is about to get exciting. Have you ever stood at the crossroads of your life, a decision looming over you, and wondered which path to take? Picture yourself there, at the junction of choices, where each road represents a different direction your life could take. This is the essence of life, a series of choices, some trivial, some monumental, each shaping the trajectory of our existence in its own unique way. Life choices are, in essence, the brushes we use to paint the canvas of our lives. They hold significance because they can lead to new experiences, opportunities, relationships, and even challenges. But the weight of these decisions can be heavy, especially when they require significant changes or sacrifices. Imagine standing at that crossroads, peering down each path, the future uncertain. It can be daunting, but it's also thrilling. Behind the fear and anxiety lies the potential for growth, for transformation, for a new beginning. But remember, every choice, no matter how small, can lead to a new chapter in your life. Choices come with a price, don't they? And often, it's a price we're hesitant to pay. This is the reality of opportunity cost, the loss of potential gain from other alternatives when one option is selected. Consider the tale of Jane. Jane was offered a high-paying corporate job, but her heart yearned to become a painter. She was faced with a choice: secure financial stability or chase her dreams. Choosing the corporate job meant sacrificing her passion, her freedom, her joy. On the flip side, pursuing painting meant letting go of a guaranteed income and a comfortable lifestyle. But here's the catch: each choice also came with its own reward. The corporate job promised financial security, while painting offered personal fulfillment and happiness. Jane's story is a shining example of the cost of choices. So, weigh the cost of your choices, but don't let fear of loss hold you back from pursuing what truly matters. Did you know that the power to shape your life lies in your hands, in the decisions you make? Quite a thought, isn't it? Our lives are like a grand tapestry, woven thread by the decisions we make. It's not our circumstances, but our choices that define us. Let's take J.K. Rowling, for instance, a woman who decided to pen down a magical world of wizards and witches while battling poverty. Or consider Elon Musk, who chose to invest his fortune in rocket technology at a time when everyone else thought it was folly. These personalities made hard choices, choices that were not dictated by their circumstances, but by their vision, their desire to achieve something extraordinary. They embraced the power of decision, and in doing so, they wrote their own destinies. So bring out that pen, my friends. Embrace the power of decision, for it is the pen that writes the story of your life. Isn't it true that the beauty of life lies in its uncertainty, in the unexpected turns it takes? Life, my dear friends, is a canvas painted in the hues of uncertainty, a masterpiece that unfolds one stroke at a time. Uncertainty, while it may feel daunting, can lead to the most beautiful outcomes. It's the secret ingredient that adds spice to our existence, turning the mundane into the magnificent. Take, for instance, the tale of a young artist. Faced with a choice between a stable job and pursuing her passion, she chose the latter, stepping into the realm of the unknown. Fear gnawed at her, but she held firm, believing in her talent. The result? She stumbled upon a world of creativity and fulfillment she hadn't even dared to dream of. So step into the unknown, make your choice, and watch as life unfurls its magic. For in uncertainty lies the true beauty of existence.